Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Korachi and in this video we're going to talk about the steganography. Now, according to the Hacker News, in 2022, a cyber espionage group targeted the governments of two Middle Eastern countries and the stock exchange of an African nation. This malware leverages steganography, a technique used to embed a message into non-secret document. Now, according to researchers, disguising the payload in this fashion allowed the attackers to host it on a free trusted service. Okay. Also, the downloads from the trusted hosts such as GitHub are far less likely to raise red flags. Now, what is steganography? Steganography is the practice of concealing information within within other data to hide its existence. Steganography is not like cryptography, which focuses on making the content unintelligible. Steganography aims to make the existence of the information invisible. Now, the main objectives of steganography is to embed secret data or malicious code into a carrier medium, such as image, audio file, video, or even a text, without without raise any red flags. The file appears to be unchanged to casual viewers, making it an ideal technique for covert communication or hiding any sensitive information. Now it's time to demonstrate steganography using an application called Steghide. So the first step, you need to install Steghide. You just type, sudo. Obviously, you have to type sudo over here. Sudo apt-get install Steghide. But we're not going to install it because I already installed it. Now, next step here, I need to make a directory called steg. Okay, I need to go inside the folder. Okay. Okay, empty. Now, we need to create basically a text file that contains a secret code or secret information. And this folder, basically the STGA folder, we need to place all the files required for steganography process, Anyway, so let's start with the first step. Okay, touch file txt. Okay, nano file.txt. Okay, we call it, we type any information. My password is 123. Okay, assuming that this is your secret code that you want to, take it outside the company, or any information you want to take it outside the company. Okay, so here's the file. Okay, now we need to copy an image. Okay, the image, I already downloaded it inside the downloads. Here's the image. So copy, pick, dot, gpg inside this folder. Now, let's go back to that. ls. Now I'm going to show you the size of the file. Here's the size of the file. 4056922. That's the actual size. Now, the next step right now, we need to embed this file inside the JPG file. So we'll type steghide, okay, embed -ef, name of the file, text, into the picture. Now, the embed -ef, okay, this option is to embed the text, which is found inside the info.txt. Now, the -cf, okay, this option specifies the target image in which you want to embed this message into this image here. Okay, so this is done. Press enter. You have to create a password here. We type 123, for example. 123, the password. Okay, sorry, it should be 5 here. Okay, 123, 123. Okay, so embed is done. Now let's see the actual size of the image. Now it's a 4500256. Okay, let's go up here. Okay, it's right here. Okay, 4500256. This is 4056922. Okay, so the file size changed. Now, notice the file size difference here versus here. This is the original one, okay, and this is after it has been, after you embed the text into it. So the file changed. Now, does the file look different? Well, let's see. Okay, nothing different. I mean, than the original one. Still the same file here. Okay. Okay, so okay, well, next step right now, we need to extract the file. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this file. Okay, file dot text. Okay, so there is nothing there. So now it's time to extract the information from the JPG file. Okay, so Steghide, we use extract dash SF to extract it from the image PIC JPG. Extract. Okay, you have to type the password 123, and let's see. Okay, cat file.txt. Here is the file. Of course, this is just a demo using command line, application. There's also a lot of application there, like works under Windows. There's also another type of steganography application that use command line to do it. So there are plenty of application out there. Just the whole idea is just to show you how this works. So the file size has been changed. There is nothing changed to the actual image file. Now, to prevent this type of attack, you need to train employees not to download suspicious text or videos or even images from unknown sites. It's of course it is expected that you use anti-malware application and make sure that they are constantly updated. Now, also there is a very powerful method called CDR, content disarm and reconstruction, which it breaks down files to remove harmful data, which is known as a data sanitization. Now, the CDR is based on a zero trust security solution that assumes all files are malicious. CDR typically follows a set of predefined rules or policies to detect and eliminate potential harmful elements, such as macros, embedded scripts, or any executable code from various file formats. Now, the process involves analyzing file structure, and analyzing its components and validating them against a known good template. Companies like, for example, like Checkpoint, they sell this type of solution. And I'm not advertising Checkpoint by all means. Now, also, we have deep content disarm and reconstruction. Deep, okay, not the one just content. This is deep content, which is basically an enhanced version of the traditional CDR techniques that incorporates more advanced technologies, such as machine learning and deep learning algorithms. It goes beyond the rule-based analysis and utilizes complex algorithm, to understand the file's content and behavior clearly. Now, so this is it for steganography process using Kali Linux, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be notified when I release new videos and you'll be supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching.